So, we're still waiting for the light rail. It's the following weekend. There's still a glimmer of hope, but it's a faint glimmer. And the protein bar in my backpack and the limbs of my compatriots are seeming more and more attractive. I may not make it out of this.
Okay.
There you go. Alright.
I thought I was supposed to kiss
No. Punch the baby.
Punch the baby.
Punch the baby.
Please punch my baby. Sorry, baby.
Look, dude, look. There we go. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect. Can you say thank you, Captain Hammer? Thank you, Captain Hammer. Thank you, guys. Thanks.
Thank you, that was interesting.
Just press it again?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's awesome. That threw me off. Woo! Alright, ready?
Yes.
Man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. Don't plan the plan if you can't follow through. All that matters, taking matters into your own hands. Soon I'll have everything. Your wish is my command.
Stand back, everyone, nothing here to see. Just in the danger in the middle of it, me. Yes, Captain Hammer's here, hair blowing in the breeze. The day needs my saving expertise. Man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. Seems destiny ends with me saving you. All that matters, taking matters into my own hands. I'm singing your part, and that's because I'm the man.
I wonder who let Miley Cyrus in the convention.
I don't know. We have to find out. Will it me this? Will it me that? Was Miley Cyrus twerking on the big bad bat?
No, Miley Cyrus was twerking on Spider-Man.
Hey, hey, hey. Oh, we gotta go.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Go to society,
And yes, that's Miley Cyrus. With Deadpool gangster style. Oh wow! And Captain Jack!
Doctors, there's many of them. It's a dream come true today.
He has a very John Barrymore feel to his face.
He works. That's Tyler over there. He's the acrobatic Spider-Man. Here's Harry as Deadpool. Many talents, and I have no idea who this is, but I'm just going to include him.
Q as MC Deadpool, aka Deadpool Flavor.
Deadpool from the 80s.
Yeah.
There you go.
Pop Pool, baby.
He's covered it for me. I knew I could count on a man in a Deadpool costume.
Loki. Do you want to Thor?
There they are.
Oh look, I think I got something you don't have, Loki.
Deadpool, go away.
I got ice. I'll leave you alone now. You can get one.
Thank you so much.
I wasn't in the other one. I wasn't until you drew my